Hey guys, let's talk about the Ring Doorbell Chime setup. This is the Chime Pro. It's a Wi-Fi extender and chime for Ring devices. So I have it here. And here's my cell phone with the Ring app and the Ring doorbells. So basically I just need to come here to the menu, all right, and select here devices. So I click here. And now I need to select which one I want to add here. I'm going to set up a device and select Chime. Okay, then I just need to read the QR code, or scan the QR code that's in the back here of the chime. And just click here and put it there. So it's going to read it. There we go. Okay. Now it's going to the next step. I just need to select the location, the address that I want to have this chime working. So click continue. And here I need to make sure that I have this connected. Here I'm just plug here to this power strip. Of course, you're gonna connect to an outlet that you have there. And here I hit continue. Just give here a name. Let's just put hallway. Connect to the power. There we go. So I have a password for my router. So I just need to click here. I have password. I near the device. The light's flashing green. I just need to wait for the light to start flashing green. Right now it's steady green because I just connected to power here. So I just need to wait for a while. It's usually 2 minutes. There we go. You hear a sound and it starts flashing. It usually takes 2 minutes, right? So I just tap here. And there we go. It's connecting to the Chime Pro.
The Ring app is now connected to your Chime Pro. Scanning for Wi-Fi networks.
Okay, time to set up the Wi-Fi. There we go. I have this saved network. I'm going to use this one.
Chime Pro is connecting to your Wi-Fi network. Chime Pro is connected to your Wi-Fi network. With Ring, you're always home.
Okay, so it's ready. I just hit continue here. And you see that LED changes here. It's a steady blue now. So pretty easy to set up.
Your Chime Pro is installing an update. Some features may be unavailable until the update is complete.
Okay, so for the first time, when you're installing for the first time, there's an update. You see here that's blinking, flashing between green and red, green and blue, sorry. So it's updating. And then after the update, it's going to work. So during the update, when it changes to green, you just need to wait for it to reload and come back to blue. So as long as you see the LED here steady blue, you're good to go. Okay, you just need to select the device that you want to use with the chime and it's ready, right? So if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.